Good morning, everyone. Students, as most of you know, that we have started chapter number 5, admission of a partner, and almost we have completed this chapter. All the concepts and rule regulations I have cleared, I have told you, and we have done so many questions related to those concepts. Only one concept has left which I have to explain, that is adjustment of capital. That we will be doing after a few questions. Students, I have taught how to prepare this revaluation account, how to prepare partners capital account, how to prepare balance sheet. Okay, when all these three things are included, that becomes a comprehensive question which I have given you, right, for the homework. Well, this illustration number 45. Now in a few classes I'll be taking one questions and I will be guiding you how to do, although we have done it, but I don't want to start the adjustment of capital at this moment because you will lag behind. So many questions are there, around 10 to 15 questions are there that you have to do before we reach at the adjustment of capital. Okay, so for keeping the coordination with you people, I'm taking the questions, right? So illustration number 41, everything is normal. What I have to tell is this much only. C, the point number 1, C will bring rupees 30,000 as his capital and rupees 10,000 for his share of goodwill premium, half of which will be withdrawn by W and R, right? Half of the amount they will be withdrawing. There is no such special thing. Okay, so he's bringing the goodwill and half of the amount is withdrawn by the sacrificing partners. Okay, and was there something special? No, students, this we have already done. I think I have already guided in the previous class. Let's talk about illustration number 46. Here it's telling in the first point, C will bring in rupees 5 lakh as his capital and rupees 2 lakh as his share of goodwill, but he actually contributed only rupees 1,20,000 towards goodwill. Are you getting, students? It's telling that C is a new partner and he brought 5 lakh rupees as a capital and rupees 2 lakh as his share of goodwill. Okay, so they have valued his share of goodwill as 2 lakh rupees, but he actually contributed only 1,20,000 towards goodwill. Okay, his share was 2 lakh, but actually he has contributed 1,20,000. So what about remaining 80,000? Of course he has to pay. As we have discussed it many times, we don't leave a person without paying the goodwill. He has to pay in any of the condition. Okay, so this 80,000, how to deal with this 80,000? This 80,000 we cover from his capital, and the special point, this I have told you many times, we cover from his capital. Okay, but this is the special one which I'm telling you. The reason ki we okay, let me give the entry. You have done cash account debit to C's capital and premium for goodwill, right? 5 lakh and 1,20,000. So this is 6,20,000 he has brought in cash, 5 lakh for his capital and 1,20,000 for his share of premium for goodwill. All right, now we just distribute it. Premium for goodwill account debit, that is 1,20,000. all right, and we have to take complete 2 lakh, right? 2 lakh we will be distributing between the sacrificing partner. Suppose A and B both are the sacrificing partner, so A's capital, this is B's capital, right, students? Okay, and in their sacrificing ratio, and that will be something whatever. Now we do what? The 80,000, right? The total share of the goodwill was 2 lakh and 1,20,000 he has brought in cash. So this 80,000 which he didn't bring in cash, I have told you that we take from his capital, right? That was just to make you understand, we take it from the capital, and once there was a time we used to do, but now the concepts have changed due to reason कि अगर हम कैपिटल में से निकाल लेते हैं तो उसकी कैपिटल कम हो जाती है, बिजनेस में अल्टीमेटली पैसा कम हो जाता है. Now they are telling कि don't take out from the capital, let the capital be intact. Okay, कि जितनी सी कैपिटल लाया है उसको एज इट इज रहने दो, राइट? और 80,000 तो हमें लेना ही है, है ना। और अभी हमने यही सीखा था कि भाई वो नहीं लाता है पूरा तो हम कैपिटल से ले लेते हैं, कैपिटल से लेते हैं, बट नॉट फ्रॉम दिस वन। वी डू व्हाट इज द अल्टरनेट, वी डेबिट हिज करेंट अकाउंट, राइट। C's current account is debited by 80,000. All right, students. Suppose, I don't know what is the sacrificing ratio, but suppose that's equal. So this 2 lakh will be taken by these people equally. Right? When you see the question, so you will find what is the sacrificing ratio. I have written like that only. Okay. So have you understood that? Until unless they don't give anything, we have to debit the current account. Okay. When the partner, new partner, is bringing insufficient goodwill, you must have seen in the previous illustration also, na, we have done it. Okay, so whatever he is bringing short amount for the goodwill, that we cover from his current account. ठीक है, वो उनके current account से लेके partners के capital account में दे देते हैं. That's all in this question. That was the special point to tell you. Okay, and you can see the posting how to do A and B's कैपिटल अकाउंट. तो इनके क्रेडिट में जाके प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल में ये वाला डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देंगे, सेक्रीफाइसिंग रेशियो में सेपरेटली करेंगे, ठीक है. एंड करेंट अकाउंट से 80,000 आप कर देंगे. आई जस्ट शो यू है, यू कैन सी है. This is, if we look at the entry, these two entry, premium for goodwill. How to read this entry? Premium for goodwill account debit to A and B's capital. तो A and B क्रेडिट हो रहा है ना, तो हम कैपिटल अकाउंट के क्रेडिट में आ गए. वी हैव मेंशन दिस अमाउंट एंड डेबिट किसको किया, प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल, राइट. दैट वाज द एंट्री ओनली. यू कैन सी हियर प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल अकाउंट डेबिट टू ए एंड बी's कैपिटल. ओके, लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट वन. इट्स टेलिंग नाउ इफ आई रीड दिस पोस्टिंग, इस पोस्टिंग को हम पढ़ते हैं तो जर्नल एंट्री क्या बनती है, सीज करेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू ए एंड बी's कैपिटल. ओके, क्योंकि ए और बी का कैपिटल अकाउंट क्रेडिट हुआ है, तभी तो हमने क्रेडिट में आया है ना लिखने के लिए. So the entry is C's current account debit to A and B. Okay, so this is the entry, C's current account debit to A and B's capital account. All right, students. So that should be in the sacrificing ratio. Okay, I have taken equally just like that without watching, but whatever the ratio is there, you will be taking in that. All right. So that's all in this question. Well, something I have to explain about illustration number 47. Now, what special is there in this question? Although nothing special, everything is we have done, right, and we know all the concepts, but one thing is there. You can see here, see, in all these previous questions you have a balance sheet and certain transactions they have given. This is your question. Okay, but in this you will find only no such balance sheet is given, only statements they have given. So students, when directly you can do it, but the chances of the mistakes are very high. So what to do? We prepare the balance sheet first. Okay, previous year's balance sheet, and we call it memorandum balance sheet also, we can say. So we prepare the previous year's balance sheet first, and then we have rest of the transactions given. Then we prepare the revaluation, partners capital account and balance sheet. Okay, so let me teach you how to prepare the balance sheet of the previous year. The opening balance sheet, you can say. So when you prepare the opening balance sheet for anything, you must have learned in the chapter number 1 also. NPO में पढ़ा था ना आपने कि आपको transactions दे रखी है तो opening balance sheet बनाते हैं. Okay, so in the same way we have to do, and we call it memorandum balance sheet. Absolutely same things, right? So let's see. So here it's telling that Murari and Bohra were partners in a firm with capitals of rupees 1,20,000 and 1,60,000. So I'm preparing the balance sheet simultaneously. Liabilities, and this is asset side, right? Okay. So it's telling capitals. Capital of Murari and Bohra. That's given 1,20,000 and 1,60,000. So that comes 2,80,000. Okay. Next is telling 120 and 160 respectively. On 1st April 2010, they admitted Yadav as a partner for 1/4 share in profits of his payment of rupees 2 lakh as his capital, right students? Ki they have admitted a new partner for 2 lakh rupees as a capital and 90,000 for his 1/4 share of a goodwill. Okay, तो ये नए partner की capital and goodwill है. So what happens when you are not conscious, so you will write here, but ऐसा नहीं करना है. हम क्या बना रहे हैं? This is the balance sheet, means memorandum balance sheet we are preparing. You can say opening balance sheet is there. Okay, it's opening balance sheet. तो opening balance sheet में नया पार्टनर कहाँ एडमिट हुआ है? अभी मिस्टर यादव को हमने एंट्री नहीं दी है, ठीक है? तो इस बैलेंस शीट में नए पार्टनर की गुडविल एंड कैपिटल को नहीं दिखाना है. ओके, देन दे हैव टोल्ड अस on that date the creditors of Murari and Bohra were 60,000. Okay, creditors थे 60,000, so we should write creditors 60,000, and further it's telling and bank overdraft was rupees 15,000. So bank overdraft is also your liability. Okay, bank overdraft is 15,000. Fine, so we have written this is also liability. Now their assets apart from cash, try to understand what the statement is telling. Their assets apart from cash means cash के अलावा जो assets हैं, these are like this, including stock, debtors, so and so. So they have given rest of the assets. So stock is there, stock is of it's given here, stock is of 10,000, debtors are there 40,000, plant and machinery I think 80,000. Okay, it's 80. Land and building 2 lakh. Okay, so whatever the information was given, I have feed it in this question. Now it was agreed that stock should be depreciated, so and so, that's all. Now he is telling कि revised value क्या है, ये revaluation के time काम आएगा. Okay, he is telling that prepare revaluation account, capital accounts of Murari, Bohra and Yadav, and the balance sheet of a new firm, right? So no other things are given regarding old balance sheet, that's all. So what to do? We just balance it. Let's find out either this is equal or no. So here we do the total. Let's cheat this. 2,80,000, 60 and 15, that comes 3,55,000. Okay, now if we do the total, here we find 2,80,000, 20, 30. It comes 3,30,000. Okay, 3,30,000. Its total is 3,30,000, and here the total is 3,55,000. So what is the difference? Here we find something is lacking. कम है ना यहाँ पे? कितना कम है? It's 25,000, right? So we write this 25,000. This is the way we prepare the memorandum balance sheet. Quite possible that some figure is missing, and they have given us hint. Okay, hint दे दिया ना कि apart from the cash, these are the assets of a firm. Means we have lot of assets still. Okay, तो what should we write? Investment है, आपके क्या हो सकता है? Vehicles are there, right? Prepaid expenses are there, cash is there, bank is there. So what should we write? So you will get hint in the question, and if hint is not given and cash is also not there, so still we write it as cash in hand. So the hint is कि apart from the cash, these are the assets. So this is what? This is your cash in hand. Okay, so this is my cash in hand I have taken. So here you have completed this balance sheet, right students? Which balance sheet? It's opening balance sheet, means memorandum balance sheet. Okay, so you can see here we have prepared memorandum balance sheet, and if they ask about the cash account, so we have to prepare. But if they don't ask about the cash account, so you that's optional for you. You can prepare the cash account, and you can prepare these things in the statement form also, because you have to find out the closing balance of the cash also. Okay, so you can see here, let's see how they have prepared cash account. So we have the balance. Okay, this is your opening balance sheet, so you take as a balancing figure. Okay, so I'm just taking and telling if I prepare this cash account also, right? सो व्हेन वी आर गेटिंग समथिंग फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस रिकॉर्ड्स, तो ये ओपनिंग बैलेंस हो जाता है. कैश आपका assets है, assets are having debit balances, so I write in the debit side of this cash account, okay, to balance brought down. How much balance you are bringing it? 25,000 I have written. Okay, is a new partner you will find. Now we can look here. The new partner is bringing something. What is he bringing? He is bringing his capital and premium that we have gone through in the first line here. The new partner is bringing 2 lakh as his capital and 90,000 for his goodwill. Okay, so we have mentioned cash account debit to Yadav's capital and to premium for goodwill 90,000, right? No other transaction related to cash is given, and the partner, the old partners, they are not withdrawing the goodwill also. I mean, nothing is given. Okay, so we have to balance this, do the total. Here is nothing, so this completes 3,15,000 we write here, and this is your balance carried down. Okay, so this will be the closing balance of your cash. Students, what happens when you do this question? Okay, now you prepare the revaluation, you prepare the partner's capital account, and with the help of all these you prepare the balance sheet. So you write everything. Okay, एंड एज दिस इज गिवन, कैश अकाउंट दे रखा है, आप बनाएंगे बैलेंस शीट, तो ये भी आप लिख लेंगे. 25,000 भी आप यहाँ कर लेते हैं. लेकिन आप गलती क्या कर जाते हैं, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट स्टूडेंट्स, कि यू डोंट फाइंड आउट द बैलेंस ऑफ योर कैश. कैश का बैलेंस निकालना ज़रूरी है. यहाँ तो आपने लिख लिया है नए पार्टनर का, आपको पता है ना डबल एंट्री सिस्टम है. यहाँ आपने कैपिटल इंक्लूड कर लिया है, तो एंट्री क्या होती है, कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल ना, तो इधर कैपिटल आ गया तो इधर भी तो कैश में आएगा. ओके, सो आपको कैश का बैलेंस फाइंड आउट करना है. दैट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट, इन द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर्स ऑल्सो. सो आई हैव टोल्ड यू हाउ टू फाइंड आउट जो भी आपका बैलेंस दे रखा है ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट में, प्लस वट एवर द कैश इज कमिंग ड्यू टू वट एवर द रीजन, right, we add, and if cash is going due to some reason, that we subtract, and closing balance is your cash in hand, right, at the end of this year. So that way we have completed the question. Now students, I'm not going to teach you the next one. So all these questions are like that. Whatever the homework I have given today, just do those questions properly. And I'm telling you, you are not perfect, I know it very well. If you come across with any of the problem, please ask either in the group or on my personal WhatsApp number. You should ask the problems. Okay, and if you stuck up somewhere in the revaluation account, so you should ask. Okay, otherwise this will be difficult to do hundreds of the questions together. Okay, thank you.